Okay, sir. So the domain here is computer vision. It can be used in systems such as facial recognition. And for example, this project can be used in airports where the identification of the people present there is necessary.
Absolutely right, Advik. And now, what are the packages we have used here in this program?
Mediapipe.
Absolutely right, dear. MediaPipe is helping us in face detection, and CV2 is helping us in accessing the device's camera.
Make some poses with your hands. So what is this?
This is for body detection.
It's pose detector.
Pose detection.
Right. So it is also based on.
It is also based on computer vision. It can be used in places such as action movies where the frame of the human individual is used in computer generated imagery. So for example, if we have to use VFX, this will be very helpful.